See friends, our next topic is essentials of a good accounting system. The essential principles of a good accounting system are as follows: suitability, specially designed system, support of executives, avoid unnecessary details, controllable cost. Suitability, the method of costing adopted, i.e., that is, job or process costing, should be suitable to the industry and serve the objectives of installing the good cost accounting system. See, for example, a particular industry should decide what is suitable to that industry for manufacturing and which method is to be adopted, job method or process costing method or standard costing method. They should choose the method to be used in their manufacturing company. And the next one is specially designed system. A ready-made costing system cannot be suitable for every business. The cost accounting system should be tailor-made according to the requirements of a business. See friends, a system should not be same always according to the society's needs, desires, taste, preferences. The method or system should be changed accordingly with the change in the preferences of the customers. So it should be tailor made according to the requirements of the business is very important for maintaining a good cost accounting system. The next one is support of executives. If a costing system is to be successful, it must be fully supported by executives of various departments and everyone should participate in it. This is the another most important for successful of a good cost accounting system. The executives who are working should be frequently communicated with various departments and every department should participate in it and communicate information about the wastage, normal usage, all other matters day to day, which is very important for successful running of a good cost accounting system. And the next one is avoid unnecessary details. Resources should not be wasted on collecting and complying cost data not required. Only useful cost information should be compiled and used whenever required. See friends, this is also another most important point. The resources simply by collecting the data and it is of not useful, then the company runs into losses. There is a waste of time, waste of money, etc. So the useful information must be collected and used whenever required. And there are some other points also we will be discussed as now. Controllable cost. Controllable and non-controllable cost of each responsibility center should be separately shown. There are some centers to determine the profit and loss in the company, and they should be shown separately. See, if they show separately the system, cost accounting system, we will come to know that which is running out of control and which is at the maximum level of production. So another point, continuous education. Well trained and educated staff should be employed to operate the system. In order to educate the costing staff, written manuals and meeting etc. should be arranged on a continuous basis, and also maintain the prompt and accurate reports. The cost accounting department should prepare accurate reports and promptly submit the same to appropriate level of management so that action may be taken without the delay. Those who done the mistakes or those who do the illegal things in the company or manufacturing company. Next, the disadvantages or limitations against the cost accounting system. Despite the fact that the development of cost accounting is one of the most significant steps to improve the performance, certain objectives are raised against its introduction. These are follows. It is unnecessary, it is expensive, it is inapplicable, it is a failure. We come to the point number 1, it is unnecessary. It is argued that the maintenance of cost records is not necessary and it involves duplication of work. It is based on the precise premise that a good number of concerns are functioning prosperously without any system of costing. This may be true, but in the present world of competition, to conduct a business with almost utmost efficiency, the management needs to know the detailed cost information for its decision making. Only a good cost accounting system can serve this need of the management and thus help in more efficient conduct of a business. And we comes to a second point, it is expensive. It is pointed out that installation of a costing system is quite expensive, which only the large concerns can afford. It also argued that installation of the system will involve additional expenditure, will lead to diminution of profits. In this respect, it may be said that a costing system should be treated as an investment and the benefits derived from the system must exceed the amount spent on it. It should not prove a burden on the finance of the company. It is inapplicable. Another argument sometimes put forward is that modern methods of costing are not applicable to many types of industry. This plea is not very apt. The fault lies in an attempt to introduce a ready-made costing system in a firm. A costing system must be specially designed to meet the needs of the business. Only then the system will work successfully and achieve the objects for which it is introduced. In fact, the applications of the costing are very wide. All types of activities, manufacturing and non-manufacturing, should consider the use of the cost accounting system. It is a failure. The failure of a costing system in some concern is quoted as an argument against its introduction in other undertakings. This is a very false argument. If a such system does not produce the desired results, it is wrong to jump to the conclusion that the system is a fault. The reason for its failure should be probed. In order to make the system a success, the utility of the system should be explained, and the cooperation of the employees should be sought by convincing them the system is for the betterment of